Hi, I'm Christopher Showerman. In the next 60 seconds, you're going to dominate the strapped shoulder rotation on the path of leashed resistance. Drop the clips of two heavy-duty nylon leashes about shoulder width apart smoothly over the horizontal bar on a chain link fence and clip them to the wires beneath. Facing the fence, put your hands through the leash handles and pull them tight around your wrists. Hold your upper arms out so they form a straight line between your elbows with both forearms perpendicular. Keeping your body in a plank, lean back and allow your forearms to rotate forward while maintaining the straight line between your elbows. Then use your rear deltoids to crank back and down to rotate your forearms back up. Once this is easy, you can increase the resistance on the strapped overhead shoulder rotation by gradually walking your feet closer to the fence. Check your equipment before every workout, have a training partner spot you, and always leave the gym nicer than you found it. If you have a fixation on deltoid inflation, strap in for some shoulder rotation on the path of least resistance.